Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of editing comp packages. Before you log in into PromptHR, check you have country admin rights to edit a comp package. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Comp and Benefits from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Comp Package. In the list view that you click on employee name whose package you want to edit. Comp package must be unauthorized, if you want to edit it. For unauthorizing, click on the stamp icon and type yes, if you really want to unauthorize the record. Click on the pencil icon at the bottom of your screen to open existing comp package to edit. Make changes and save.